IDs are another type of attribute in HTML. They act as a unique identifier for an element on a web page, different to a class where you can have multiple. This means the value of the ID attribute must be unique, but you can have multiple elements with different IDs. If I give my first div the ID first, and the second div the ID second, I can now style them independently of one another. In my style sheet, I can select an ID by using the hash symbol. Then, the name of the ID, in this case, first. Then, within the curly brackets, I can enter my style properties. For my first ID, I want to give it a blue background and white text. For my second ID, I want to give it the red background and white text. This is what my web page now looks like. I can still add some classes to my elements as well as an ID. I'm going to give the box class to both of my divs. In my CSS, I'm going to select the class box, and then within the curly brackets, I'm going to give it some padding, a margin, and also a border of 4 pixels solid black. With these changes in mind, my web page now looks like this.